What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Hope you're all staying well and safe in these crazy unprecedented times with just all that's going on, everything closed down, everyone's on lockdown, self-isolation, stay at home. What do you have to do? YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you name it. You're just looking for some kind of entertainment. So we're going to try to start cranking out some more videos here. Going to been kind of slow here of late. We're also going to take a little bit of another direction with the channel. Not going to change the format that much, but we're going to start incorporating not only tech but style, and we've already kind of been doing that with a lot of these leather goods and you know, carbon fiber and wood and everything else. We're kind of going to style it up, but we're also going to take that turn into like personal hygiene and tech items that help, like life hacks and more natural stuff like that. So don't think we're going to get away from tech. We're not. We're going to blend it. So stay tuned for a lot of that. Some cool stuff coming. I guarantee you, you're going to like it. So today's video, we're going to be looking at a kind of one of those stylish tech things, and this is from Carved. Now they're very unique in that they produce cases from real wood, and they use a sediment in there that you know, makes it look different, unique. No one is the same, I can guarantee you that. So you're gonna definitely be unique. Not only do they do cases, but they do jewelry, and they also do wallets, and they also do like chargers and stuff like that. And all of them have a unique wood look with this nice little dye-ish paint or resin that goes into it. And everything comes out looking really, really cool. So here they are. They're carved. So this is actually what the bracelet came in. Naturally unique. Carved.com. Follow them on their social media accounts. So we'll take a look at the bracelet first. Then we'll move on to the iPhone case that I got here. So if you're like wanting to rock some unique outdoor woodsy kind of style, then look no further than the bracelets that they have. Now again, you can pick out different kinds. This one here again has that nice wood with resin, and then a rope. You know, looks real rugged, outdoorsy, adventurous, wouldn't you say? So that's their bracelet, and they have many different ones to choose from. Now let's move on to the case. Now I'm actually a big fan of this case because not only does it look cool, but it's very protective. Easy to get on and off. Ports are all easy available through it, and it's got a nice microfiber interior that protects your phone. So I've got nothing but great things to say about it. I've actually been using this over a wallet case that I had, which was multifunctional, obviously, because I had, you know, things in it, cards, cash, whatever. I've traded it in for this look, and I'm going to trade this out. I will use this for a while, but I just wanted to point out. Now, if you can see this resin, isn't that amazing? I mean, this is artistic work. This is beautiful. And again, you know, this wood, natural wood look, and a little bit of resin here in the paint. Now, some of this is kind of glittery too. It's got some shine in here, so it just looks really, really nice. And again, the interior, look at that, nice microfiber interior. Just beautiful case. Okay. Now your bracelet, your jewelry is going to match your phone case. Okay. Now in this case, I have a little bit of a green turquoisey kind of look and a blue turquoisey look on the phone, but like, you know, it's the same concept. So we're just going to take our iPhone Pro Max and we're just going to stick this in here like so. And as you can see, looks beautiful. Ports, no problems. Get to the volume rockers, all that, silencer, camera, plenty of protection. I like, look at the bezel. Camera is protected. Screen is protected. You got a little bit of a bezel, you can see it over here. So definitely worthwhile and definitely a cool looking case. Pair this up again with your bracelet. And like I said, you can have the wallet, and you can have the little thin charger that they got, and you can just rock this whole look across your stuff. And it just looks really, really cool and neat and different. Like I said, unique. That's the whole point here. Unique, artistic. Anyway, guys, check the show notes. I'll have a link for Carved. They don't just do one phone type. Obviously, you can go out there and get stuff for Samsung, iPhones, you name it. This is the Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max version. So it's the bigger. So definitely go out there and take a look at what all they have to offer at carved.com. And I'll have, again, show notes, links, all this good stuff. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Cool new stuff coming. Again, tech, style, blend. We're going to do it. We're going to do it right. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Stay well. Have a good one.